Today you will learn Python data types in just 2 minutes. First, we have Booleans. This is just true or false. Is the light on or off? Is the user logged in? Remember, always use capital T and F. Next, we have strings. A string is just text. Put your text inside quotes. Even numbers in quotes are strings. Like 2026 is quotes, is text, not a number. Python has 2 main number types. Integers. These are whole numbers, no decimal. Like -5, 0, and another. Floats. These are numbers with a decimal point, like 3.14. Now, what if you have many items? Use this. List an ordered group, you can change it, like apple and 7 and another. Tuple, fixed group, you cannot change it, like 100 user and another. Dictionary, key and value pairs, like city, London, and others. Set, unique items only, no duplicates, like gold, silver, and another. Here is a quick trick. If you are confused, use type. It tells you the data type instantly, like this. Excuse me. Like this. And run. And float. Great job. Now, you know the basics. Don't worry about memorizing everything. We will practice in the next video. Like this video and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.